In this episode of JewelEverything, we present a guide for faceless YouTube beginners eager to explore creative content creation. Discover exciting niches that not only maintain anonymity but also offer endless opportunities for engagement and innovation. 1. ASMR magic. Delve into the world of ASMR without showing your face. Create enchanting soundscapes, calming whispers, and visual triggers to transport your audience to a world of relaxation. Props and soothing sounds take center stage in this niche. 2. Storytelling animation. Explore storytelling animation to bring narratives to life without revealing yourself. Whether fiction, mythology, or personal experiences, animation allows for creative expression in a visually engaging manner. 3. Tech reviews and tutorials. Tech-savvy creators can excel in tech reviews and tutorials. Unbox gadgets, share thoughts and provide step-by-step guides without showing your face. Voice and screen recordings become the focal points in helping others navigate the digital landscape. 4. DIY crafts and art. Express your artistic side through DIY crafts and art projects. Showcase creativity through tutorials, time lapses, and tips for creating beautiful pieces. Whether painting, sculpting, or crafting, your hands-on approach takes the spotlight. 5. Gaming commentary. Dive into the gaming world with commentary on gameplay, strategy guides, and reviews. Whether video or board games, your commentary and gameplay become the stars, allowing your personality to shine through. 6. Mystery unboxings. Inject suspense into your channel with mystery unboxings. Order mystery boxes, share reactions, and explore the unknown on camera. Your commentary and exploration will keep your audience intrigued. 7. Podcasting. If you have a way with words, start a podcast. Discuss topics you're passionate about, host interviews, and share thoughts on current events. Build a strong following with your voice as the brand, without the need for a facecam. In conclusion, these 10 faceless YouTube niches offer a diverse range of opportunities for content creators. Find the niche that resonates with you and be authentic, passionate, and consistent in your content. Remember to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more creative content. Stay faceless, stay creative, and happy creating.